Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to improve Etsy SEO. As an Etsy seller, optimizing your shop and listings for search is crucial to increasing visibility, driving traffic, and boosting sales. In this tutorial, we will walk you through a step-by-step approach to improve your Etsy SEO. First, it is essential to understand how Etsy's search algorithm works. Etsy uses a combination of factors to rank listings, including keywords, categories, tags, titles, and descriptions. To optimize your listings, start by conducting keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Marmalade. Identify relevant and high-traffic keywords related to your products and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Next, optimize your shop and listing titles. Your titles should be descriptive, concise, and include your target keywords. For example, instead of using a title like handmade jewelry, use a more specific title like handmade silver necklace with gemstone pendant. This will help your listing appear in search results for buyers looking for similar products. Another critical aspect of Etsy SEO is using relevant categories and tags. Ensure that your listings are categorized correctly and use all 13 available tags to describe your product. This will help Etsy's algorithm understand what your product is and what it is related to. In addition to optimizing your titles, categories, and tags, it is also essential to write detailed and keyword-rich descriptions. Your description should provide buyers with all the necessary information about your product, including materials, sizes, colors, and production time. Use your target keywords throughout your description, but make sure it is still readable and engaging. High-quality images are also vital for improving your Etsy SEO. Use well-lit, high-resolution images that showcase your product from different angles. This will not only improve your listing's visibility but also increase the chances of buyers clicking on your listing. Finally, keep your shop and listings up to date and fresh. Regularly update your products, prices, and policies to ensure that your shop remains relevant and attractive to buyers. This will also help improve your shop's overall performance and increase your chances of appearing in search results. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly improve your Etsy SEO and increase your shop's visibility. Remember to stay focused on providing high-quality products and excellent customer service, as this will also positively impact your shop's performance and reputation. With time and effort, you can optimize your Etsy shop and listings to drive more traffic, sales, and revenue.